Major market reversal today. Good trade on 60-minute breakout short, hitting brand new equity peaks. You see that we had a challenging time during that strong period from October till about, it was about a month's time, from October the 11th through November the 20th, but made a strong comeback. Trading the short side, this market has trading two ways now, and so after that move last night, I thought that we would be moving to new highs, and so my systems did capture the move. So up on 60-minute breakout short, one of the highlights of the day, plus 1325. Lots of good short trades. Here are the results on the day, though, before we go any further. We did have some long trades and some losers, so our profits for the shorts were moderated by those that lost, plus 700, though, on the day for the 200K portfolio, and minus 150 on the 50K portfolio. And this is the optional, or the old and optional workspaces. We track 127 strategies every day. We track the market internals as well. You can see the advanced decline line made a huge reversal, 3,400, over 3,400 points. Actually, it was 2288 as a high, minus 1425 as the low, so 3,600 range on the advanced decline line. Massive turnaround. Massive turnaround in the S&Ps, over, 150 point range, 4650 to 4497, over 150 points. VIX closed at multi-week highs, I believe, in the 30 handle, and ticks for weak, very weak at the end of the day. So lots of little bounces, but we were able to stay with a lot of the short trades. Let's look at the Nasdaq. EVP1 was one of the highlights of the day. We've tried to short it at the close, short it at the open, unsuccessfully, but we were able to get it here and be up on the day. 25.95. Gap continuation was long today, minus 725. Cobra 3 went long, big stop loss, minus 12.25. VSD long short captured this short move, plus 39.40. VSD long only, plus 365. PR breakout, minus 325. NQ tick pulse V12, plus 64.30. That was the biggest trade on the day. That is per contract, capturing over 300 points on that trade. Had some losers right here and then captured that. So nice trade on tick pulse V12. Stock index swing, plus 475. Cobra 3 profit target and non-profit target version, both lost, taking the long side of the trade. And tick count trend, plus 525. Let's look at the ES trades. VSD, plus 787. That was the only trade in this workspace. ES2, Cobra 3, minus 625. Cobra 3 profit target, plus 575. Adaptive moving average, big trade on the day on adaptive moving average, plus 3687.50, 3887.50, and 60-minute breakout, minus 1025. Night trader, winner overnight. Good to get the long trade winners in the shorts as well. And crude oil, the shorts were obviously the way to go in crude oil today, plus 575, plus 575, plus 575, plus 475, 475, 475, 475. The long trades did lose. Gap fill fade crude, minus 525, minus 2025 on crude swing. And this is a long only strategy we've recently implemented. And so the market is pretty weak. So we have some losses in that strategy. Natural gas, no trade. RBOB plus 479 on that short. Gold, as you go for short, minus 525. Gold reversal, plus 235, holding that position overnight. Silver, no trades today. Copper, holding a copper breakout home run trade here in the after hours. And then euro currency, minus 206.25. Soybeans, loser on the days on the soybean swing, minus 425. And then grains day trader 3, and then grains trader 3 2022, minus 375. Found soybeans to be a very hard market to trade lately. Just very choppy. We evaluate that as we go into 2022. Cobra crude 2022. Really doing well. You see how well this strategy is doing on the bonds. We just released this strategy to our All Strategy Access subscribers, and we're watching it. It would have been great to trade it. Did really well in, look at the monthlies, plus 8,000 on 28 trades last month. The Nasdaq version, it did, let's see, monthly, plus 3,800 on 22 trades. And on the crude oil, it did plus 2820 on 22 trades. So trade pretty much every day on these strategies. And so wait for a drawdown now at this point. It's had quite the run. 2 or 3 losses, I guess, would be a good place to start. Or you could just jump in these equity curves since the pandemic. Now these strategies, the reason I'm cautious on them is because they work well since the pandemic lows, but not before that as well. And so that's let's see, that's crude oil, and this is Nasdaq. Sometimes you have to hit this refresh button sometimes to make sure it's updating. So here is the Nasdaq, and this is just going back. This isn't correct. Let me update this. Data, edit symbol. Okay, here we are. This is accurate. And then crude oil, data. We made a video about this recently. I had to uninstall and reinstall TradeStation on my research computer. Here it is on bonds. And sometimes when you load data for the first time, you have to do this double reload scenario so you can get all the data. And now you can see how these equity curves go on long streaks. They do have drawdowns and they go on long streaks. I like this equity curve, but it is very short since the pandemic lows approximately. It does have quite a few trades, 532 trades. So those are the trades on the day. What I wanted to share with you today. Major market reversal today once again, and good shorts in these stock indexes and crude oil. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.